Hello everyone. New week, new tutorial. Today we will learn how to create any icon we want, using simple and few steps. Start by making a new document. Press Ctrl+N. Or Command+N if you are using a Mac. I will name this icon design. Choose the dimensions you want. I will set mine to these values. The key to create any icon or to turn any object into an icon, is to simplify this object to simpler shapes. For example, let's try to create a bottle icon. Grab the rectangle tool, or press M to use it. If we try to imagine and simplify the bottle shape, you will find that it consists of basic bottom shape. A neck shape. And another shape for the cap. This is a basic bottle. Now let's make it better. As you go up towards the neck, the bottle usually becomes more rounded. So press A to grab the anchor point tool, select the upper 2 points of the bottom shape, and grab the handles all the way inside the shape. Select the other 2 shapes and adjust their position. The neck always gets narrower as you go up. So select the 2 upper points of the neck, and with the scale tool, click and drag them inside. Adjust the cap to the new neck shape. Select the bottom shape and the neck shape, and from the Pathfinder window, unite them together. Select the 2 points that connect them, and round them a little. You can add another rectangle as a label shape on the bottle, and give it a solid black, and the cap too. Also you can increase the stroke of the bottle, and make it inside the shape for a better appearance. Finally round the bottom edges of the bottle, and the top edges of the cap. And here you have it, a simple bottle icon. If it's hard for you to recall the shape of any object, you can use the help of an image of this object. We have here an image of a cup. Press P to grab the pen tool, and let's analyze this object to simple shapes. Using the pen tool, make the basic shape of the cup. And the shapes creating the top cover. Press L to grab the ellipse tool, and make the circle in the middle. Now select all the shapes, and drag them away from the image. Center them horizontally. Apply a black color to all shapes and a white color to the circle, and separate the shapes apart to make them visible. Now you have a cup icon. You can apply another color to it. In this case you can bring the shapes back together, and give them different shade of the cup color. Another example, I have simplified this sword to 4 simple shapes. Draw a rectangle to make the blade part, and using the pen tool, add another anchor point in the middle, and drag it up. Apply the same colors from the image. Draw a circle to make the curved part. Delete the top anchor point of the circle. Add 2 other points at the center of this half, and delete the other ones. Draw another rectangle to make the handle part, and make it narrow at the bottom. Finally, draw a hexagon to complete the sword shape. This how to make a sword using 4 simple shapes. To make it better, add shadows to one side, by making shapes, using the pen tool, representing half of every shape, and give it a darker shade. You can adjust the shape's order by using bring forward or send backward, from the arrange menu. As for this curve, I'm using the width tool to make the edges narrow, and the center wider. And expand the shape. Make another copy of this shape, draw a line at the center of this shape, and press Shift+M to use the Shape Builder tool, to remove the right half. Then put it in its place and choose a darker shade for it. And here you are, a cool sword icon. These are another examples to create icons, by recalling its shape. Or by using an image as a guide. Take your time practicing, and experimenting different techniques and styles. Like and share this tutorial, if you think it was useful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials to come. And check the previous ones. If you have any question, or if you wish to see a certain tutorial in the near future, leave a comment down below. Until next time.